Consequently, Google will unveil the Pixel 7a, the Pixel tablet, and the much-anticipated Pixel Fold during its annual developer conference, Google I/O, which will be held on May 10th, only 3 days from now. With the Pixel Fold, Google is following its tradition of releasing new products well in advance of events. Google has made available an official video of the Pixel Fold that reveals its appearance and verifies its moniker. Sincerity be damned, Samsung has done a better job with its Galaxy Fold lineup than this video's depiction of the phone, cover screen, and rear cameras shows. However, things start to seem less interesting once you notice the bezels. It's amusing to see folks defending this choice. Some claim to even prefer bezels these days. Maybe this is because they want to maintain their favorable standing with Google so they can continue receiving review units, or perhaps they are ardent Google devotees. But they claim that bezels make it easier for them to handle the device in their hands. Since I've been using Samsung's Z Fold phones for so long, not once have I felt that the phone would benefit from having a larger bezel. Due to the phone's very small bezels, I have never had accidental touches or any difficulty opening or shutting it. I agree that bezels are necessary for a tablet-sized device due to its size and weight. On this stuff, no. The front camera benefits from bezels, according to the second justification they provide, since Google can integrate the camera within the bezels to create a seamless appearance. Once again, you will not hear these individuals say the same about the Pixel 7 Pro. I have yet to come across a single person who prefers a punch-hole display on that phone over a large bezel, because they want a more seamless appearance. Sincerity tells me that people seem to be supporting something only for show. Large bezels on a phone in 2023 once again scream cheap. Even though this phone is by no means inexpensive, it has large bezels for a purpose. Google has no justification for providing us with such large bezels at that pricing, which is $1,800. It might have been okay 5 years ago, but not in 2023. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.